In April, the latest inflation data brought a glimmer of hope for those anticipating interest rate cuts in 2024. The numbers showed a slight decrease in inflation compared to the previous months of February and March. This decrease was particularly notable in core inflation, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, and is now at its lowest level since March 2021. Some goods, such as vehicles and certain food items, have seen their prices decrease, which is a positive sign for consumers. However, despite these encouraging developments, inflation still remains above the Federal Reserve's target of 2% annually. Shelter costs, in particular, continue to remain high and are not decreasing as quickly as hoped. The pressure on inflation is still largely coming from service industries, with transportation costs being a significant contributor. Looking ahead, the upcoming inflation reports for May are expected to provide more insight into the trajectory of inflation. The Federal Reserve is likely to adopt a cautious approach and wait for more data before making any decisions regarding interest rates. For now, interest rates are expected to remain unchanged in June. However, the financial markets are still anticipating up to 2 rate cuts by the end of 2024. This suggests that there is a growing expectation that the Federal Reserve may take action to stimulate the economy and combat inflation. Overall, there are some positive signs that inflation may be coming under control. However, the Federal Reserve is taking a measured approach and is waiting for more evidence before considering any changes to interest rates. The path forward remains uncertain, and much will depend on how the economy evolves in the coming months. In conclusion, while there is reason for cautious optimism, it is clear that more data is needed before any definitive conclusions can be drawn. The Federal Reserve will continue to monitor the situation closely and make decisions based on the most up-to-date information available. Interest rate cuts in 2024 are a possibility, but the timing and extent of any such cuts will depend on a variety of factors that are still unfolding.